Hey YouTubers, here's something going wrong with the Artemis moon rocket. We're being told that the new moon rocket remains on the ground as of right now, disappointing the throngs of people like Vice President Kamala Harris and so much more. The launch was supposed to take off, but NASA has additional opportunities to make sure that it will be launched by this Friday, September 2nd, and that depends on whether there's enough time to fix the problem and diagnose it from time to time. It's not uncommon for technical problems to make up some launch attempts. The last time that happened was way back in 1981, according to the NASA's website. That does it for right now, but you can always get live updates whenever news breaks or happens at cbsnews.com. Join me for CBS Philadelphia News at noon. Reporting live from Studio G, this is William White Jr. Make it a great day.